What's up, guys? It's Ramon from NyneBlockGaming&Collectibles coming at you with another review. This time it is of the Tamashi Nation store exclusive Innocent Challenger Son Goku. You have to visit the Tamashi store to buy this. You could not order it online, and any third-party retailer outside of Tamashi Nation's store. One just opened up in New York that received this figure. It was bought from there and upcharged in price. Nowhere sold this retail aside from Tamashi store around the globe. So here we have your Innocent Challenger. One of the things with this packaging, because it's a new style package, I'm assuming we'll get more Tamashi Nation stores exclusives, but you get this cool, almost like embroidering wax logos on the side. So you get that, you get your sticker, and then you get a Tamashi Nation quality. So that's the box. You got a side image. I think this is the front. Then you have a full image. He ain't pushed off to the side. Tells you original Dragon Ball. And then, you know, the name of the figure. So let's open it up. You can see that we go back, even though they got rid of it in our regular packaging, we go back to the instruction sheet. Now a change that was made from this and the old one is there's no Nimbus. So you don't get a Nimbus in here. And they have this plastic over the head. So here is our Goku. This is essentially a 1.0 knee design with a 2.0 hip system in it, and all around not very good figure quality. But it's a small figure, so I'm not sure how much you can ask. I was going to say quickly do a head swap, but every head that I've touched on a Goku figure lately just doesn't want to come off. Ooh. Peg system on that is ridiculous, but I'd like to put the windy hair on him. It unplugs from there. That's why you read the instructions, guys. Simply just snaps in. So let's take this one, snap that into place, get our faceplate on. I think the faces have some better paint applications, but looking over it, I have another one right next to me. It has a different face. It's like a smiling face. It's not included with this, so you will get that as well. If there is differences, it's very subtle. But this hair right here is a main difference, something we did not get with the original. The gi is a little darker orange where the original is light. So you have a darker gi. You know, these shoulder pads aren't articulating in here. That's a part of the gi, and the hair falls right out. Flying in the headbutt Piccolo through the chest, Demon King Piccolo through the chest. Something the windy hair can be used for, but you know, it's cool because it kind of looks like what he does when he goes Super Saiyan. It's the first iteration of the wind swept Saiyan hair That happens when they go Super Saiyan. So let's put the regular one back on, and then we will go over accessories. So windswept, or wind up, flying, action posing, hair, face plate here. You just got this angry Kid Goku. Angry again, except now he's looking to the side. Teeth gritting, he's getting pissed, but looking to the side. The one I just showed you is looking the opposite direction, mouth closed, that's mouth open. And then we have the yelling. Things we get the tail that plugs in right back here. Very small peg hole, looks easy to break. I never broke mine, but there you go. That's how the tail attaches. You get your power pole. You got to take the head off. It swings right over his arm then, and over his head, and he can wear it. Why don't I just show you that? That's what these videos are for. Granted, there's an instruction sheet on how to do it, but there he is with his power pole over his shoulder. As you can see, it sits on his back very well. Looks nice. So all you do is raise your arm up, get it in line with the peg, and it slides right off. Then you also get the power pole, which next to Goku is smaller than his top strand of hair, but taller than his head. I'm going to put the plastic over and show you the hands inside the plastic. So you get two power pole gripping hands right here. You get two Kamehameha hands and then two karate hands, along with his fist. So let's go over articulation. Head hardly looks up. There, it wasn't snapped all the way in. Look, so if you can see that, you can only look so far down until it pulls the faceplate away from the neck. So if I'm looking down right here, it's starting to hit the neck. See that? See it pulled away from the faceplate away from Goku. You don't want to see that in figures, so it limits the articulation to his head without pulling, and his chin hitting. It's right there, and then up that high. So arms, being these odd ball pegs, go way higher than 90 degrees. As you saw, this part in here does move, but doesn't enable full 360 rotation. It goes up to where I showed you. So that arm part there just swings. It gives him a butterfly joint, essentially, right there. So you get a bicep swivel, single jointed elbow, standard Tamashi Nation wrist peg that rotates 360. Looks forward only that far, back only that far. You get some side to side. head surprisingly gets way more side to side than anything else, and it can also rotate full 360. You have, and like I said, it's like 1.0 leg articulation. You have your hip swivel, single jointed knee. That looks terrible for this day and age. That's your knee in there once it's exposed. And then you have the same peg for your wrist for Goku's ankles. And it enables all sorts of range. And then you have a toe hinge with his articulating belt. Well, that's it for the review on the Innocent Challenger, guys. I'm going to give it a rating of 7 out of 10. It's way too late in the game to be releasing 1.0 stuff when you have 3.0 figures out. Hopefully the reason this was done is a release schedule to bring back this guy in particular. Hopefully it has something to do with the new Dragon Ball Magic. And confirming, oh, sorry guys, that Dragon Ball GT is going to become canonical. That would be awesome. But if you enjoyed the video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. If you could do a thumbs up, I'd do it. Right there's his thumbs up. Hit that like. And if you do not want to end up turning back into a kid if you're an adult, subscribe to the channel. It'll help. You see that? Drop down. All these way sections are like that. But all right, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Later.